Welcome back to Cocktails for Quarantine. Today we're going to make the Hanky Panky cocktail. Hanky Panky is a gin-based cocktail, and if you're a fan of the Negroni or other gin cocktails, this is definitely worth a try. A simple yet elegant 3-ingredient cocktail. So let's get those ingredients. We're going to start with a gin. Today we've got the Corsair American gin. Corsair guys are great. It's very citrusy gin with some cucumber in there along with the juniper. That'll be really nice today. We're gonna have our sweet vermouth, the Carpano Antica formula, favorite in our house for sure. We keep that in the refrigerator when we're not guzzling it. And our third ingredient is Fernet Branca. Fernet is an Amaro from Milan. It's Amaro means bitter in Italy, in Italian. In Italy, where they speak Italian, both of those are right. You get a bit of peppermint on the nose when you smell a bottle of this, but it has a lot of deeper botanicals. There's myrrh and there's saffron and there's Chinese rhubarb in here. When they started marketing it in the 1800s, they said it was a cure for cholera and stomach ache and nervous disorders. I don't know if those were ever proven, but it's proven to be a damn good ingredient in a cocktail. So let's make the Hanky Panky. We are going to get our mixing glass, and we're going to use 1.5 ounces of the gin. The Hanky Panky was created by Ada Coleman at the American bar at the Savoy Hotel in London in the early 1900s. 1.5 ounces also of our sweet vermouth. And was included in the 1930s book by Harry Craddock, the Savoy Hotel Cocktails, or the Savoy Cocktail Book, I believe it was called. And just 1 bar spoon of the Fernet, because it is some strong stuff. There we go. So 1.5 ounces of gin, 1.5 ounces of sweet vermouth, 1 bar spoon of Fernet, and then we'll add some ice to our mixing glass and give this a good mix. Stir for 20 to 30 seconds. We're chilling and diluting. Anyhow, so published in 1930 and really been a classic since then. Very tasty and slightly complex cocktail, the Hanky Panky. All right, we've got a coupe glass that's been chilling here with some ice water. We'll get rid of that. And then we'll strain into our chilled coupe. And garnish with a little orange peel. Let's see what we can do with this guy. Try to make it look decent in case somebody's taking a picture. There we go. Get these orange oils here. And we'll give it just a little twist. There you go. There's your Hanky Panky. Enjoy. Thanks for joining us on Cocktails for Quarantines, and we'll see you next time. Cocktail